Hello everyone, welcome to winsights.com. In this video, we will check out how to enable work folders client on Windows 11. To enable this feature, we will use run command and access programs and features. Go to the run command and type the command appwiz.cpl. You can find this command in this video description and you can also find it on winsights.com. Click OK. Programs and features window is now open. On the left pane, you can find turn Windows features on or off. Click on that. Now Windows features dialog will pop up. Here you can find a lot of optional features. Scroll down and locate Work Folders Client. Click on the checkbox next to it and then click OK. Windows will now search for the required files and apply all the necessary changes. Now we have to click on Restart Now because restarting right away is highly recommended. However, as I am recording this video, I am clicking on Don't Restart. That's it. Work Folders Client is now enabled on your Windows 11.